Hey guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy. We continue checking the market analysis right here. We can see the pound Japanese yen start to rally up. The previous signal did make about 450 pips of profit. We put the previous video for Euro catch sell and Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, and we set to close this dollar pound Japanese yen sell. You can see this is going really good. Pound Japanese yen is flying really nice. Gold also possibly will continue to rise. So gold is a buy only. Okay guys, so we're looking also to buy gold. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% in any trade, just in case it doesn't go really well. Also the Dow is only a buy. We're looking to buy the Dow. So this is a buy only. So we do expect the stock market to rally up. So we're looking about 350 pips target in this trade. Hopefully we can reach this one. Also the gold, we're looking at actually the gold longer term is possibly 2300, but right now probably we're going to break above the 2000 very soon, guys. But you have to use risk management. Nothing guaranteed in the market, but gold most likely is going to continue to the upside. So this is what we're looking to trade right now: buying gold, buying pound Japanese yen, selling Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian, buying the Dow, buying the DAX, everything like 5% risk, 1% risk. Don't go crazy, you know. Something is small, it will add up, then you will be in nice profit. So yesterday we also in the live stream we said to buy the gold in good profit now, guys. So just move your stop to entry. If you didn't enter yesterday, you still can enter now. Possibly will continue up really fast to the upside. So the trades have been going good so far recently. The oil one is the only one that go wrong against us, but that's like 1 out of 15 trades, so not a big deal. The pound Japanese yen is performing really nice. Is breaking the downtrend, is reversing back up. So this is going really nice. Of course, Australian, Japanese yen, New Zealand Japanese yen, Canadian Japanese yen are going to be a buy. Don't be in all of them, just some of them, but that's the direction. About the Canadian news, it's gonna have some volatility. Longer term, euro is gonna come down, but the news depends on the news. It may have an effect to the upside or downside. Do not use a stop loss. Use a small lot size. Sooner or later, it's gonna come down. Okay, sooner or later, it's gonna come down. So don't use a stop loss. Use a small lot size before the news. If the price will go up, we will sell again from a higher price. So this is one of the trades we're looking at. Euro Japanese on will be the same thing. So it will move exactly just like pound Japanese yen for now. You can see the break of the system right here was really nice. It probably should have entered here, that's fine. Right here is also not too bad, guys. We should have got in this the trade a little bit early, but that's okay. But you want to go for about 70 pips, 70 pips target. Okay. And also your stop loss, unfortunately, because we're late, is gonna be here. For the EuroCAD trade, it's reversing now as there is probably a little bit of fear the bank is gonna push this up. So if you have one trade, don't open anymore now, because if the news is against the trade, then it's gonna take it up
incoming
here,
mail.
okay, to this area. So, but this is gonna come back later down, even if it does go up. So just don't add any more now for this one, okay? So you can see Australian, New Zealand, and Euro against Japanese yen. Dollar and Canadian are really weak now. So Euro dollar probably is a buy now. If you don't want to take it, that's okay. But I prefer to wait for the sell. So this. So we know this is gonna go up a little bit. Okay. So now this is pushing lower. So I'm gonna make two trend line, because now we have two support areas. Okay. And what we expect is this will come up to here, this level, like this. So this will continue up to here. That's why we did take the Euro Japanese yen buy, because we can see the Euro dollar is going up. Euro dollar is correlated to the Euro Japanese yen by about 90% or so. So at the time the stock market is going up, Japanese yen is going to get weak. So Euro Japanese yen probably is a good buy for now. But we're not going to buy the Euro dollar. Also, we're going to avoid this buy. We're going to wait to sell in this area. So either here or there, we're going to get a reverse, and that's going to be our second trade we're interested in. So this fall right here, I'm going to make this different color just to blue also. So this red wave, that's what we're going to be looking at to sell Euro Australia, Euro dollar. Okay. If you want to take this buy, your stop loss must be here. But we already did take the Euro Japanese yen. Okay. So that's one of the ways you can look at the market. Pound Japanese yen is going really so far so good. It's possibly one of the best trades we're gonna get after this sell. The ABC did give a beautiful signal about 450 pips. We did catch the signal from the beginning, and wait, baby. Okay, guys, so that's the sell signal for pound dollar, pound Japanese yen was about 450 pips of profit. So now, right now, we got out of this trade and we're taking a buy from this area right here. Okay, hoping we're gonna get about 140 level. This is our target right here. Okay, so 140 is our target. This kind of swing trade a little bit. Okay, so probably will not come in one day. Okay, so this is our target right now for this trade. After we get to about 138.60 or so, we're gonna move our stop loss to entry, and that's gonna be the direction we're looking at. So guys, don't sell anything against JPY right now. Possibly they're gonna rally up. Gold also, we need to bring the gold up right here. We discussed this yesterday. You said a buy, so this is buy only, guys. So after this correction, the gold, just looking at the big chart right here, all this was just a correction. You can see right here. If we expand this a little bit, that is just contracting correction. Still in a bigger contracting correction. In the weekly forecast, we said once you break this trend line, this correction wave, when you see the price is just going sideways, it goes one wave down, then it will go 60%, 70% up, comes down, then up, then this is only a buy, okay? This is only a buy, guys. And we discussed why this is a buy, and the target is 2090, guys, okay? We're gonna go 2090. Actually, I believe this is gonna go 2300, but for now, so gold target 2090. Okay, this is all the time high, breaking the previous high of 2075. So we're actually giving a history high target. Let's see if we're gonna get this one. Okay, so this is the target for this trade, 2090, a little bit above here. Okay, and that was the comment in the weekly forecast. We said if the price breaks out, buy it right here. So, and yesterday live stream we did give a buy signal. SBX is only a buy, okay? All the equity is only a buy. SBX and the Dow and the DAX all buy, but don't get in all of them. Hi, Mr. Shakti, how are you? The Canadian news, we already discussed this one about EuroCAD. Wait, don't sell again, even if it does go against you. That's for a little bit. Hi, Mukesh, how's it going? Hi, Mr. Assam. Gold stop loss, please. Just move stop loss to entry after you get in. It's in profit since yesterday. Okay. It depends on what lot size. I prefer small lot size and a bigger stop loss. If you get a close of 4-hour candle below the support level, just to close it. Mr. Coffee here, SBX is only a buy to the upside. Euro dollar is okay to buy, but Euro Japanese yen is better. Okay. So going back to our bound Euro Japanese yen right here, also bound dollar, guys, probably is going to be also a good buy. We give this signal at 1.333 something. I don't remember the exact number, but I remember the bound Japanese yen was 1.4142. So this possibly a buy, but if you buy bound Japanese yen, there's no point of also buying a bound dollar now, just to avoid. Okay. Dow also we said only a buy. The SPX is the same scenario, only a buy. Okay, because those are very two strong support levels. You can say that was just a correction wave right here for a big trend, uptrend right here, and that was expected. We have been saying we need one fall down to touch the trend line in the daily. That's perfect entry, and we can start this beautiful signal in the 1 hour time frame. So this will offer a really nice buy. Okay, so this is a nice buy. Target for sure is this is gonna break this price and is gonna go 10% above it. Okay, so 10% above this high. So they must get back to the previous year. So year to date is SPX probably is just about break even now. So they need to be 10% above the break even price. So this is probably gonna go to 37. Okay, 3,700. So the target is 3750 target, and that's probably gonna run fast before the election, guys. Okay, that's the SPX. As long as we are not breaking below this support level, and this support level was the two levels were drawn before the fall. So those were drawn from before, guys. If you remember, we did draw those two levels before, and we said we need those are gonna be the support levels right now. I do expect this to hold, and this is gonna go up from here. The worst case scenario we get like a double bottom, but I don't really think so. I think it is just gonna continue up. Okay, so this is a wave we're looking to have right now to the upside. Pound yen still doing good so far. Pound dollar. I told you, stop screaming like girls. Here's a boy. We give multiple sells in the DAX. They were nice. Now is only a buy, guys. Okay, DAX is only a buy with the SPX. Also, the oil, don't take any more sells right here. We gave a signal from here. Didn't work out really good. It did come here. We gave a warning with it. Okay, guys, that was it for now. Hopefully today, later, we're gonna come check our trades, how did they perform, and update you guys. Please don't risk more than 1% in any trade. Don't take too much risk. Market is not ever guaranteed. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, goodbye.